Taft Chemistry First Semester in Review by Megan Winder and
Sadie Simmons.
Mr. R wanted us to learn, and I, Megan,
And Sadie.
from his first period chemistry, smile, have learned that at a level that the following concepts from the first 12 chapters of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but a section of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. Intro to Chemistry, Chapter 1, Scientific Method. There are the steps we take to solve a problem. There are 5 steps. 1, problem. 2, hypothesis. 3, experiment. 4, results. And 5, conclusion.
And Matter and Change, Chapter 2, 4 clues to chemical change, a transfer of energy, a change in color, the production of a gas, or the formation of a precipitate can clue that a chemical change is happening.
Scientific Measurement, Chapter 3, Accuracy versus Precision. Accuracy is how close a measurement comes to the actual true value of what is measured. Precision, a measurement of how close series of measurements are to one another.
Atomic Structure, Chapter 4, Structure of an Atom. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The nucleus is the center of the atom.
Electrons and Atoms, Chapter 5. Atomic Immersion Spectrum. When electrons lose energy, they emit light when returning to the lower energy levels.
The Periodic Table, Chapter 6. 3 types of elements. The 3 types of elements are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids.
Ionic and metallic bonding, Chapter 7. 3 properties of ionic compounds. Crystalline solids at room temperature, high melting points, and electric current when melted or dissolved.
Covalent bonding, Chapter 8. Polar molecule. One end is slightly positive and one end is slightly negative.
Chapter 9. Chemical names and formulas, cation and anion. When metals in a group 1A, 2A, and 3A lose electrons, they form cations. Nonmetals gain electrons to form anions.
Chapter 10. Mole. Chemical quantities. A mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd representative particles of a substance, and the SI unit for measuring the amount of a substance.
Chemical reaction, Chapter 11, Types of chemical reaction. 5 types of chemical reactions. 1, combination reaction. 2, decomposition reaction. 3, single replacement reaction. 4, double replacement reaction. 5, combustion reaction.
Stoichiometry, Chapter 12, Mole ratio. Mole ratio is a conversion factor derived from the coefficients of a balanced chemical equation interpreted in terms of moles.
Yay!
Good job. Wow.
All right. I'm